Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this easel card using the Cottage Wreaths bundle. Here's my next Cottage Wreath card. It's an easel card, so it stands up like this, and I used a sentiment from the mini catalog set, Very Best Occasions. So may your days be happy, your heart be light, your Christmas merry, and your New Year bright. I really like that sentiment, and it goes with this sentiment as well, or it could go with any of these sentiments too, so it looks nice. So the bundle itself is a stamp set and dies, and so here they are. So you've got 3 occasions: Halloween, Thanksgiving or fall, and Christmas. And then you've got a myriad of dies that cut out the images, as well as 4 extra leaf dies, a bow die, and 2 extra wreath dies that are fun to use as well, that I've used in my other cards on my other videos, so go check those out as well. So I'm gonna start by stamping the wreath in Soft Succulent. And when you're stamping, I put a little mark right here. That was actually in the stamp set. So here's the mark. So I placed a mark right there, and I placed a mark there for both of these, because on the die itself, there's a little arrow. So there's an arrow here. That's gonna tell me where to position the die to cut it out. So I'm gonna make note of where that mark is that I made. So I'm gonna stamp this, and then there's the mark right there. So I'm just gonna get a pen ready to mark it right here. But first I'm gonna stamp some berries on it in real red. Makes it look super festive. And I'm gonna stamp the bow, also in red. And also Merry Christmas in red. Okay, so here's the stamped, and I've got my mark there, and I've got this little arrow pointed at my mark, and voila, I can easily line up my die to where I've stamped. I'm going to use this die twice on the cardstock. Okay, this time I'm going to run it through again, and if you want to shorten it, you can place the die here, or for fun, you could also shorten it by placing the die this way, so it kind of looks more like an arrow. So I'm going to do that. So I'm gonna try to line these little circles up, and when I feel it fit, I'm gonna move down one more, and I can feel the circles fit, and I can't move the die after it goes in. And I'll just place this down and run it through again. And that will give me this fun little arrow die. And that will give me this fun arrow looking piece. All right, so now for the card. I have a regular card base, and I'm going to fold this one back, or you can score it at 2 1/8. And then I have 5 1/4 by 4 piece of real red, and a 5 1/8 by 3 7/8 piece of the Gingham Designer Series, Gingham Cottage Designer Series paper. So I'm only going to attach this piece to the top and not to the bottom so that I can create the easel. Okay, so now we've created the easel part. So now we can do a little bit of stamping on the inside. So for the inside, I stamped some of the little pine needles and the holly berries. Now I'm going to stamp a sentiment from the very best occasions. And I'm going to cut it out using the 4th largest scalloped rectangle from the Scalloped Contours dies. So that creates our little stop here for our easel card. Now we can add our wreath and bow and sentiment. And then I just wanted to add a rhinestone to the middle of the bow to add a little bit of bling. And then I have a couple of leaves here that I just want to add under the bow. And there we have our easel Christmas card using the Gingham Cottage suite, including the Cottage Wreath bundle. As always, I am including a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. You get 6 supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each design. Just please email me and let me know that you would like this card kit once you placed your order for the bundle or $50 order using my current host code. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this Cottage Wreaths card. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you next time. Bye.